Trademiner Review. 5 interesting things that you should know. If you are thinking of doing business and investing in the stock market or foreign currency market, you have to learn the trading materials. You can see more things about repeat testing devices and software in the stock market. It is better to see a Trademiner review, where you will get interested in using this software for trading stock. Identifying a historical trend and market cycle. Trademiner is a useful software item that you can use for identifying the stock. The Trademiner is identifying a trend of the historical season and market cycle. The methodology is documented scientifically. The stock tends to have a relatively high or low purchase of the stock every year in the same calendar. The pattern is not depending on the size, industry, income announcement, dividend, and also fiscal year. The result is consistent in which it has a seasonal effect in buying the stock. Of course, it helps the investors and businessmen to handle a stock purchase and trading. A fast scanning process. Trademiner tells the truth that it is easy to use software type enabling you to scan market data smoothly. It is also useful to identify a historical trend adjusted to the criteria of your search in the virtual market. You can trust to use this software for trading your stock and expanding your investment in the market. Graphic analysis. The next interesting thing is about the graph analysis. It has several kinds of graphs on Trademiner enabling you to see the result of trading and mining the stock in the previous years. It is identifying the historical risks and rewards. It is also working to see the detailed trading notes from the trend of previous years. Of course, it is helpful to get a promising chance for the investors and sellers to buy the stock. The graph is clearly explaining the details and data of the stock in the software, so that you can understand it quickly. Optimizing a special custom search. What else is another positive reason for choosing Trademiner? It has a special custom search in which it can be optimized. You can make a custom group based on some filters and details including the price estimation, margin, volume, industry, sector, and value of tick or pip. Those can be chosen related to the commodity, so that you can reach the success of the stock trading process in the market. Supportive software. Most of the people claim that Trademiner is the much recommended software for selling and buying stock in the virtual market. A software kind of Trademiner is easy to use for buying the stock. It is also a kind of supportive software with wide support in which you can access it on email or telephone. When you want to buy it, you are going to get some details included such as 40+ years of the data in the historical market, getting the latest data with the trading information, and historical trading score. Those can be got easily from this software. Trademiner Review also gives a back warranty of the software maximally 30 days. Learn more about Trademiner software that identifies historical seasonal trends and market cycles quickly. Click the link below in the description to learn more and get the Trademiner program.